Are you tired of looking washed out on Zoom calls? Let's find the perfect light to illuminate your video presence. We're diving into the best lights for Zoom in 2024. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Razer Ring Light. Looking to ensure you always look your best in videos or virtual meetings. Content creators like YouTubers, Twitch streamers, and TikTokers often rely on a ring light for a consistent, flattering lighting setup. The 12-inch model from Razer is a top choice for achieving this effect. It offers exceptional light quality, softly diffusing to cast your face in the most attractive manner possible. The included tripod is sturdy and substantial, providing the stability needed for your lighting setup. Additionally, the wired remote feature allows you to effortlessly adjust brightness and switch between 3 color temperatures with just one hand. This means you can discreetly make adjustments during Zoom calls or streaming without drawing attention to yourself, always putting your best face forward. This ring light is user-friendly, well-crafted, and offers superior performance for its price, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to elevate their content creation or video call experience. Number 2. Lume Cube Cordless Ring Light. Considering a top-of-the-line ring light? The Lume Cube wireless ring light offers premium features and a larger 18-inch diameter compared to the Razer ring light. Its brightness is impressive, with 2 batteries providing up to 1.5 hours of full brightness or the option to run off mains power. The 3200-5600K color temperature range allows seamless adjustments for perfect lighting. High brightness levels minimize shadows and reduce facial imperfections, resulting in a more flattering look. The LED readout adds to its ease of use. The package includes a carry case, a 6.5-foot stand, and mounts for iPhones, smartphones, digital cameras, and action cameras up to 10 lbs. Ideal for more than just casual Zoom calls, the Lume Cube wireless ring light is a worthwhile investment for versatile professional lighting. Number 3. Lume Cube Video Conferencing Kit. If you want a reliable and affordable light for your Zoom calls without extra features, the Lume Cube Video Conferencing Kit is perfect. This kit includes the panel mini LED and a suction cup for easy mounting on almost any surface. While placing the light on top of your laptop or monitor is common, its versatility allows for creative mounting options, such as on a wall for soft side light or a tall piece of furniture for a unique ambiance. The light quality is outstanding, with a wide range of brightness and color temperature settings for easy customization. The built-in battery ensures you're not tied down by cords, and the included USB-C to USB-A cable provides continuous power if the battery runs low, so you won't have to worry about your light dying during important video calls. Number 4. Rotolight NEO. 3. If you want a reliable and affordable light for your Zoom calls without extra features, the Lume Cube Video Conferencing Kit is perfect. This kit includes the panel mini LED and a suction cup for easy mounting on almost any surface. While placing the light on top of your laptop or monitor is common, its versatility allows for creative mounting options, such as on a wall for soft side light or a tall piece of furniture for unique ambiance. The light quality is outstanding, with a wide range of brightness and color temperature settings for easy customization. The built-in battery ensures you're not tied down by cords, and the included USB-C to USB-A cable provides continuous power if the battery runs low, so you won't have to worry about your light dying during important video calls. Number 5. SmallRig 120 RGB Video Light. This light stands out for several reasons. Its construction impressed me with a substantial metal body, unlike many flimsy plastic LED panels. Despite its build quality, it remains affordable compared to big-name brands like Lume Cube. The OLED display on the rear is a useful feature, making it easy to navigate through various modes. Control is simple with the main dial on the side, which also serves as a mode-changing button to switch between white light and color hues. A 1/4 threaded hole at the bottom offers versatile mounting options, whether on a stand, tripod, or using the supplied cold shoe adapter to attach it above a DSLR or mirrorless camera for a professional zoom setup. Designed for content creators, the RM120, positioned behind your monitor, is a simple, effective, and affordable way to enhance your zoom lighting. So, which light should you choose? It depends on your needs. If you want a versatile, professional-grade light, the Rotolight NEO 3 is the clear winner. But don't forget to consider your budget and specific requirements.